Quick applications start with no JavaScript. When the user clicks on a button, the JavaScript loads. But how does that work? Notice that the button has an onClick attribute, which tells Quick which bundle to load and which function to execute. Quick comes with Quick Loader, a small piece of JavaScript about 1 kilobyte, which executes in about 1 to 10 milliseconds depending if on desktop or mobile. Quick Loader sets up a global listener for browser events and takes advantage of the fact that browser events bubble. Quick Loader knows which events to listen to because of quick events variable shown here. When the user clicks on a button, the click event bubbles to the top where it is intercepted by the Quick Loader. Quick Loader then traverses the bubbling path and looks for the onClick attribute. If found, it downloads the bundle and executes the specified function. Notice that only the code associated with the button downloaded, not the whole component. Quick is surgical about what it downloads. This example is simplistic because the event handler did not close over application state. Let's look at a more realistic example when the event handler needs to mutate the application state, as is the case here. As before, the onClick attribute tells the system where the code should be downloaded and which function should be executed. But in addition, we now have information about the closed over state. The information tells the handler that the initial value of the counter is 25, so when we increment, it becomes 26. This information is stored in the Quick JSON, and it provides information not just about what the current state of the value is, but also if the value changes, which portion of the application has to be re-rendered. The application state comes from Quick JSON, and it allows Quick to resume running your application without the need to re-execute the application components, as is the case in hydration. The result is the amount of JavaScript is proportional to the complexity of the interaction rather than the complexity of the whole application.